In this video tutorial, I'll be talking about how to describe a translation using an ordered pair. So as we know, an ordered pair is going to look like this. And so in an ordered pair, you have an x value and a y value. So the x value is going to describe horizontal movements. If you have a positive x, move to the right. If you have a negative x, move to the left. The y value will describe any vertical movements. A positive y value, move up, and a negative y value, move down. So let's look at an example. So you have this ordered pair right here, 2, negative 1. That is the ordered pair to describe the translation. So your x value is 2, which means that every point will move 2 units to the right. The y value is negative 1, which means that every point will be moving 1 unit down. Here's another example. Here's the ordered pair negative 3, 5. The x value is negative 3, which means that each point will move 3 units to the left. And the y value is 5, which means that every point will move 5 units up. Let's look at this separate example. Point A, negative 3, 7, and point B, negative 1, 0, and point C, 5, 5, form a triangle. If this triangle ABC is translated 4 units right and 5 units down, I'd like you to think about what is the translation written as an ordered pair. Do you have that answer? Let's check. 4, negative 5 is how you would describe this specific translation. Now let's go ahead and apply that. This is the same situation, same circumstance as before, I just changed the question. The question is in red. Find the coordinates of the vertices of the triangular image. So the original point A is negative 3, 7. The translation is 4, negative 5. So in order to get the ordered pair of the image A prime, you simply add the x coordinates together and the y coordinates together. So negative 3 plus 4 gets you 1. 7 plus negative 5 gets you 2. So let's look at the ordered pairs for B prime. Hope that makes sense. And let's look at the ordered pair for C prime.